Okay, talking about our good dude Gene Hackman. Sorry, I always thought he was great. I'm so sad, really, in a parasocial way, but I'm very sad that he's gone. I've always appreciated him as an actor, and I've loved his work, and he's one of those people I was always glad was still around. I'm sorry that it's just one of those things. But he was by all accounts, he was a great guy. He was a great actor. I loved Unforgiven. But here's the cool thing about Gene Hackman. He was also a Seiko guy. And the reason that I'm talking about this stuff so soon after he went is obviously he loved watches. He was a watch guy, right? He dug cars and watches and was interested in things. So, I mean, for me, if I sure as heck hope after I go out, people are going to talk about some of the neat watches that I had around and, the things that I was excited about, whatever subject that may be. So I myself, I felt it was perfectly appropriate to take some time to talk about Gene Hackman's and his Seiko. Anyway, Andrew Hickman sent me this picture. I don't know what the event was or when it was, but on his wrist, we can see that watch that we've been talking about is an SKX 007. And I can tell you absolutely definitively that is not an SKX 007. That is, it may be the seven, it may be the later version. It may be the 7H version, but I'm going to choose to believe it's the 5H version. 5H267A19. And I'll show you why. Let's see if I can get my things up here. There's a photo. I flipped that around. And go like this. Whoops, I went to the wrong thing. Now I have to go back here. There we go. So this is that picture cut out and rotated. It's flipped upside down. Speaking of flipped, it looks like Mr. Hackman used his diver bezel. This is the second time with each watch, he's been using it to time something, or he's just been fiddling with it. So this is the 20 marker. You can see 20 bisected with the red and the blue, which is right there. So he cranked that over. Let's get over here now. It's by no means like perfect, like at all, obviously, because the angle's not right. You can see that this watch has a light colored white seconds hand. These have a white silver sweep. SQ, Divers 200, SQ, and that would be Divers 200. If this color is true, I think it's a little lightened, but maybe his was a little faded. I'm just guessing. Seiko, quartz underneath, and then it's got that SKX 007 or 7548 dial. And the hour hand's almost in exactly the, darn it, would you come and do the thing? You see those set of hands, you see that stuff right next to each other? Yeah, I don't know. It's one of those two. The big question is, when did this event take place? Was it before or after this 5H switched over to the 7N? And I need to research that because I don't know when that date is. In any case, that is my fun times. And we're gonna go back. And so with that, back to thinking about the man. I don't know, I'll have to think about, we just rewatched The French Connection, so I'll have to think another one of his that I want to see. I saw Unforgiven not too long ago. I'll come up with something. Okay, thank you so very much for watching.